Hello friends, and welcome up you with this new course. As usual, our courses focus on PostgreSQL database. This course is no exception. We will talk about PostgreSQL Advanced querying. It's been a while since my last course, but here we go. Again, I meet you, my dear friends. Now, this course called PostgreSQL Advanced Querying. Now, most of us, when we do the querying, we generally tend to use the normal querying, without giving attention to some features that some of these features are specific to PostgreSQL, some of them are general. We don't use them, we just tend to use the regular, querying syntax, so we can get the results. But in this course, we will go deeper with some of these features. Okay, we will get three things from implementing these features. Number one, improving the performance of getting the results of the querying from the querying of our database. Number two is that we will make our code readable, more readable for anyone who come and see our code. Number three, our code will be smaller than using the regular querying. So these are the three things that we will benefit from this course. Now, this course we will talk about these, mostly we will talk about these 14 features: time series, the cube, rollout, grouping set, parallel query, distinct on, full texture, generated column. So each and every one we will talk most of them we will talk about. First of all, usually for every feature I have made a slide, a PDF slide, where we talk about this feature. We tell what is this feature, what are the main characteristics of this feature, how we do them, what are the variants of this feature, what are the parameters that we can use with this feature. Okay, so each and every feature we will talk about on a slide, and then we will start implementing this feature, each and every one, on the database, and we will see how this feature will improve our querying for our database. Okay, we will start with the window function for the PL/PGSQL, and then we will, for each and every video, we will talk about one feature. Okay, so I hope you join me with this journey to learn more and to go deeper with PostgreSQL Advanced Querying. I hope you will enjoy this journey. I thank you very much for joining me. Hope we get some improvements in our skills, and thank you very much. Bye-bye.